Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. I just wanted to remind you that today is the last day to get our options mastery course when it comes to trading diagonals at a discount. And this discount is at about 30% off from the normal price that the course is going to be selling at. So for those of you that have been following me for a while, those of you that are continuing your education from the past and previous courses, I highly recommend you check this course out because it's very detailed and it goes into the specifics of diagonals, breaking things down. And today is the last day to get it. Now, to get this course, you could go to our website at tradersfly.com. And as you go there, you could check out the products and go to courses, or even just scroll down and there is the Options Mastery Diagonals course. Now, once you click this, it'll take you to the Rise to Learn website. This is where we have all our courses loaded up. So because the Traders Fly site is a free site. So in either case, if you're on the Rise to Learn site, you could also see the thumbnail there and also the button. Now, once you get there, you could see of the sales page. You could go ahead and see all the modules that are going to be included. Now, this current course length is about 11 hours, but it continues to grow as we add new trade ideas and follow certain trades along. So you'll probably be about 15 plus hours on the course. Now, we've already released quite a handful of these videos, so we've been doing it in sections. So basically every 2 weeks we're releasing another batch of videos as the editing kind of comes through and as we finish filming a few of them. So we've already released all these videos, and you can see they're very detailed on what it is. So just in the option Greeks, you know, we've got 2, 4, 5 videos right there set up. Then April 6th, we released this batch of videos, April 20th right here. So, and we've got a couple more releases here scheduled up that we need to go ahead and tweak. So ultimately, when you go through this course, it is a very detailed course. It's very specific on diagonals. And if you're brand new to trading diagonals, you definitely want to check this out. And this really covers also a lot of people that are just brand new to trading options in general. But I would, of course, recommend starting with 1 or 2 of the earlier courses because it builds on certain things. Now, we do cover some basics here. Again, puts and calls using diagonals, diagonal basics, how it's constructed. So we do get into some basics, but you're going to really jump in and hop into some things really quickly with this course because it's already one of our course number 5 when it comes to our options tradings courses. So anyways, with that being said, go ahead, check it out, Options Mastery Diagonals course. Go to our website. You can get the coupon code there. Go to the Traders Fly site and then check it out. And that way you can go ahead and pick it up at a discount. So I hope to see you there in the course. We're going to be doing a webinar here once the sale ends, probably within a month after this video is released. So a month after you're watching this video, just to make sure everybody has time to go ahead and watch the course, digest the material, and then we'll go ahead and probably do a webinar to do a Q&A, answer any questions you may have, or maybe even do another trade setup together. Anyways, with that being said, hey, thank you so much for joining me. Hope you go ahead and check out that course. Remember to subscribe on YouTube if you're brand new, or join the newsletter list so that way you get notified as we release other discounts, coupons, promotions, and future courses and material as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.